I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circle mop. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by securely attaching the mop head to the handle, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Next, fill your mop bucket with warm water, adding about 2 capfuls of your chosen floor cleaner. Make sure the water level is high enough to completely immerse the mop head for effective cleaning. Now, let's dive into the actual mopping technique. Fully submerge the mop head into the cleaning solution, allowing it to absorb the liquid. Then, use the integrated wringer to spin out excess water, leaving the mop head damp, not dripping wet. Work in small, manageable sections, using a figure-8 motion to effectively capture dirt and grime from your floors. Maintaining a clean mop head is crucial for sparkling floors. After mopping a section, rinse the mop head thoroughly in the bucket's clean water compartment to remove accumulated dirt. Then, engage the wringer again to spin out all the dirty water, ensuring your mop is ready for the next area. Repeat this rinsing and wringing cycle often to prevent spreading grime. Once your floors are gleaming, proper post-mopping care is essential. First, empty all the dirty water from your bucket and rinse it clean. Next, detach the mop head and rinse it under running water until all soap and dirt are gone. Finally, allow the mop head to air dry completely, ideally for several hours, before storing it to prevent any mildew or unpleasant odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.